friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this chicken kebabs from Aldi in the air fryer. So these are raw kebabs, so it's very nice how they sell them already pre-assembled and marinated. This particular marinade is sweet chili lime, but I know different stores can have different flavors of the marinades. So the bottom line is have those nice pre-assembled kebabs, and air fryer is a perfect tool for cooking them, and I'll show you how. So all we need to do is put the kebabs in the air fryer. For best results, put them in a single layer. If I wanted to, I can cook them all at once by, overlapping them. But if you really care that they're nicely browned, for best results, I'm just gonna do 4 so I can fit them nicely side by side on the bottom of this air fryer. So I'm going to take out the package, take out the kebabs from the package. So here's this marinated chicken kebab. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer basket in a single layer. There you go. So now let me put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. So now the air fryer is done cooking, so I'm going to open the basket and I'm going to flip them over. So just carefully, so the stick is actually not hot, so it's really handy for flipping them over. And now I will put it back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees. In Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 3 minutes. So now the air fryer is done cooking. Let's take a look. Look at these chicken kebabs. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now I do recommend checking the temperature with an instant thermometer. So it should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit for chicken breast. So yep, that's over 165. They're perfectly cooked. Now if there's different brands of kebabs, some are larger pieces of meat, so they might take longer. So if they're undercooked, just put it back in the air fryer and cook for a few more minutes. So this particular kind, I had them cook for 13 minutes total. So first I cooked them for 10 minutes. And I flipped them over and cooked them for additional 3 minutes. And they're ready. So now I'm going to remove them from the air fryer. So again, carefully, I'll just grab them by the sticks. Perfect. So easy and so delicious. This is a perfect convenience meal. They look so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just cut a piece. So as you can see, it's totally cooked inside. And let's try it. It's so good. This meat is so tender and they're perfectly marinated. So this bite of meat is so flavorful. You can just taste this amazing sweet chili lime marinade. And the marinade keeps the chicken so moist. You will love those kebabs. Again, I got those at Aldi, but I know other stores might sell them too. Just pre-marinated kebabs, different flavors, and air fryer is perfect for cooking them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. And to discuss easy meals like this and swap recipes, ask any cooking questions, please visit my free community at everydaycookingclub.com. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!